Hello girls, today I am going to discuss the drama tragedy written by Shakespeare, King Lear. Let me give you some outer view of this drama, which is like this, that King Lear is considered to be one of William Shakespeare's masterpiece. Shakespeare has written 4 grimmest tragedies, and King Lear is one of them. He crafted this play to be a complex dramatic work that functions on a variety of levels. Here, we will learn several approaches to its interpretation. So, let us analyze this interpretation. Like all Shakespeare's tragedies, King Lear is a complex play that can be understood on many different levels and from a variety of critical perspectives. It cannot be said to have one particular meaning. We can sometimes feel overwhelmed by its depths also. In broad terms, King Lear is a play about a king and his 3 daughters. Lear alienates Cordelia, the youngest one and the most loyal daughter, while her 2 sisters plot to seize power. Now, add to that some nobles, both loyal and treasonous, and then you will see that you have a plot with plenty of conflict.